Welcome guys, in today's video we're gonna go through something really amazing. This is some of the pieces that fascinate me the most. It looks like a quartz geode, but there's nothing like that. Look at the back. There's a surprise hiding in here, so we're gonna cut it later, but first we're gonna remove this rusting. You can see on the quartz crystals that are a little bit brown. We're gonna take it out with a special chemical that I really enjoy. It's super helpful, and after that we're gonna cut it. So first we're gonna soak it in some water, and we're gonna use this easy chemical, iron out. This is great for taking the oxides out. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna put some iron out here and leave it there for 24 hours, come back, clean it up, and then give it a cut. You can see how the iron out is working on the oxides, all the bubbles. It's making its own reaction. So it will change completely. It's gonna be a beautiful quartz flower, and when we cut it, you're gonna love it. Some of my favorite pieces. I hope we can hit a top piece within this cut. The piece is ready after 24 hours. And you can tell that all the quartz, they turn out more white than before. I'm gonna give it a clean with the hose, and then we're gonna cut it. I think it looks pretty well. It looks way better. You can see that the quartz are more clean. And now the next step is decide how to cut it. You can see it has some colors here. You can see the pinks, the yellows. So I think I will place a cut like this. Look how amazing the quartz looks like, so clear. So we're gonna take a small cut like this and see how it turns out. I think this is gonna be one of the best ever. Put it on the saw. I don't know if it's gonna fit this saw. I think it will. We'll try here. What do you think?
I think it looks great. Get a good one.
Alright, the pseudos here with the color. Hope we got a crazy spray or circles with yellows and pinks, and I hope it doesn't break. I saw a little fracture, but I'm not sure if it's going all the way in. So let's see.
Can't wait to see it.
Okay,
Let's
ready?
take a look.
Whoa!
Whoa! Nice
That's
colors.
crazy. Look at this. Look at the flower sprays.
Look at this. I love this.
A little pseudo here. I think we missed the little pseudo on the top here. That it was on this spray, but it's buried here.
It is a nice one.
Let's see our
I
half.
love the pseudo.
Wow! Ooh! This one has some yellows.
Let's see it.
That's nice.
It
Pretty
is
well
nice.
one.
I like it.
That's so crazy. It's like a photo of under the sea. Wow. That's nice.
Turned out good.
How beautiful this piece is. Nice. I think we did a really good job. The fractures didn't appear as I thought it would. But you guys judge it. Let us know what you think about this piece.